This is the TailMate 2.0, a precision dovetail router jig designed for standard 1x4 lumber. It's fast, repeatable, and works perfectly with a 1/2-inch guide bushing and a 3/8-inch spiral upcut bit. This is planed lumber, also called dimensional lumber. It's sold as 1x4, but the actual size is smaller, 3.5 inches wide and 3/4 thick. That's because it's milled smooth after cutting. We start with the pins. The workpiece is clamped into the jig and routed using smooth spiral passes. The result is clean, rounded pins designed for a perfect fit. Next, we switch sides to cut the matching dovetail sockets. The jig handles the spacing. Just follow the guide bushing around the profile. To prevent tear out and ensure a clean result, start by plunging the router at each outer corner before routing the full profile. The final joint fits tightly with no gaps. TailMate 2.0 ensures consistent results without any measuring or complicated setup. One clamp, one bit, perfect dovetails every time. TailMate 2.0 uses the same router setup as BoxMate, a 1/2-inch guide bushing and a 3/8-inch spiral upcut bit. No adjustments needed when switching jigs.